Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, right there, above the radiator, and the other one is actually, guys, inside the vehicle. That's the one that we will need today for that specific video. It's under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel right there. That's where the fuse box is located. You remove the cover and you will see a fuse box like that. By having it open like that, and we took a picture, we zoomed it, we can clearly show you where everything is located. So let's explain first why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse specifically we need to check, guys? For the steering wheel controls, steering wheel switches, if we come in that row right here on the left side, starting from the very top, even if you guys have a missing fuse, you count that spot, we have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That fuse number 12, which is 15 fuse, will need to be checked right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.